Hello dear students, in previous class we have explained the concept of chapter number 4, that is linear inequations. In this class we will solve the problems from the exercise 4. Okay, so first of all the question number 1, see the question number 1. It is told that solve the inequations 3x minus 11 less than 3 where x belongs to the set 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. Also represent its solution on the number line. Okay, so given that here it is given that 3x minus 11 is less than 3. Okay, and x belongs to 1, 2, 3 and up to 10. It means this set is a replacement set. It means the value of the x will be chosen from this set. Okay, now you have to simplify this one. So 3x minus 11 is less than 3. I have told that in left hand side you have to keep only x. For that you have to do some operations. Okay, so minus 11 is left hand side, so if you take in right hand side it will be plus 11. So 3x is less than 3 plus 11, that is 14. Now you have to eliminate this 3. 3 is the coefficient of x, so you have to divide both side by 3, then 3 will be cancelled out. So if you divide both side by 3, this will be cancelled out and this will be 14 upon 3 equals to 4 whole 2 upon 3. 4 whole 2 upon 3, it means x is less than 4 whole 2 upon 3. Less than 4 whole 2 upon 3 means 4, then 3, then 2, then 1, because you have to choose the solution from this set. So, okay, so less than 4 upon 4 whole 2 upon 3 will be 4, then it will be 3, then it will be 2, then it will be 1. So this is the solution set. Now you have to represent this solution set on the number line. So draw a number line here. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Now solution set is 1. So 1, make this one dot. Okay, make a dot on A, sorry 1, and make a dot on 2, make a dot on 3, make a dot on 4. Okay, this is the representation of the solution set on the number line. Okay, now next question, see the next question. Solve 2 into x minus 3 less than 1 and x belongs to 1, 2, 3 up to 10. Okay, it is given that this is the inequation and x belongs to this replacement set. Okay, this is the replacement set. Now solve this. 2 is multiplied inside, so 2x minus 6 and less than 1. So 2x equals to, so 2x less than 1 and minus 6 will be plus 6 in right hand side. So 2x is less than 7, divide both side by 2, so it will be x is less than 7 upon 2. This is 3 whole 1 upon 2. So x is less than 3 whole 1 upon 2. It means the solution set will be less than 3 whole 1 upon 2. So that is 3, 2 and 1. From this set you have to choose the solution. Okay, here no need to represent on the number line. Okay, so next question number 3. Okay, so read the question number 3 very carefully. In this question it is told that solve 5 minus 4x greater than 2 minus 3x and x belongs to whole number. Also represent its solution on the number line. Okay, so this is the given inequations. Okay, this is the given inequation and x belongs to whole number. So only x related term will be in left hand side, so minus 4x is in left hand side and this 3x we have taken in left hand side, so it will be plus 3x, and in right hand side 2 is there and we have taken 5 in right hand side, so it will be minus 5. Okay, so minus 4x plus 3x, that will be minus x, and 2 minus 5, that will be minus 3, and here it is minus x and here it is minus 3. So here you have to bring x only, so from minus x you have to bring x, so that's why we have multiplied both side by minus 1. If you multiply both side by minus 1 and minus 1 is a negative number, so inequation will be reversed. Greater than sign will change to less than sign, multiplying both side by minus 1. So this will be plus x and this will be plus 3. So x is less than plus 3 and x belongs to whole number, so less than 3, the whole numbers are 2, 1 and 0, and on the number line this is the representation. On 0 you have to put dot, on 1 you have to put dot, and 1, 2 you have to put dot. Okay, now next question, question number 4. List the solution set of 30 minus, question number 4, list the solution set of 30 minus 4 into 2x minus 1 less than 30, given that x is positive integer. So this is the inequation, and x belongs to positive in x belongs to z plus, means only positive integer you have to choose, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So you can solve this at home by yourself. You can see the solution and try to understand the same method here it is followed. Okay, now I'm coming to question number 5. Okay, now question number 5. In question number 5 it is told that solve 2 into x minus 2 less than 3x minus 2 and x belongs to the set minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3. Okay, so this is the given inequation, x belongs to this set, this is the replacement set. You can solve it very easily. This is very easy. Multiply by 2, then take x in left hand side, constant in right hand side, then here it is minus, multiply by minus 1, then this is the solution set only. Okay, very easy. Now come to question number 6. If x is a negative integer, find the solution set of 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 into x plus 1 greater than 0, and x belongs to negative integer, it is told here. Okay, so simplify this one. So x related term is this one, so keep this one as in left hand side, 1 upon 3 x minus 1, and 2 upon 3 is the constant term, so take this one in right hand side, so it will be minus 2 upon 3. Okay, now multiply both side by 3. If you multiply both side by 3, this 3 will be cancelled out. If you multiply by 3, 3 will be cancelled out. So here it will be remaining x plus 1, and here it will be remaining minus 2. So x equals to plus 1, take in right hand side, so it will be minus 1, so x is greater than minus 3. X is greater than minus 3 and x belongs to negative integers. Okay, so greater than minus 3 is minus 2, then minus 1. Okay, so these two only, because negative integer minus 2 minus 1 then 0 is neither negative nor positive, so we'll leave that. So only 2 minus 2 and minus 1, this is the solution set. Okay, so next question, that is question number 7. Okay, in question number 7, read the question number 7. Solve x minus 3 into 2 plus x is greater than 2 into 3x minus 1. X belongs to the replacement set that is given, minus 3 minus 2 also represent its solution on the number line. This is very easy, just like previous questions. Okay, you can solve by yourself, and this is the representation on the number line. Okay, try to see the solution and try to understand, same method. Okay, now I am coming to the next question, question number 8. X belongs to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Solve x minus 3 is less than 2x minus 1. This is also very easy. Okay, see the inequation, x belongs to the replacement set, this one. Simplify, take x in left hand side, constant right hand side, multiply by minus 1, then this is the solution set. Okay, now come to the next question, that is question number 9. Okay, in question number 9 it is given that list the solution set of the inequation 1 upon 2 plus 8x greater than 5x minus 3 upon 2, and x belongs to z means integers. This is the inequations. Okay, this is the inequation and x belongs to integer. Now take x related term in left hand side, so 8x minus 5x, and 1 upon 2 will go to the right hand side, so it will be minus 1 upon 2. So 8x minus 5x, this is 3x, take the LCM, that is 2, so minus 3 minus 1, that is minus 4 upon 2. So minus 4 upon 2 means minus 2, and this is the 3 here, coefficient of x, so you have to eliminate this 3 also. So divide both side by minus 3, sorry, divide both side by 3 only. So if you divide by 3, this one, 3 will be cancelled out, and this will be minus 2 upon 3. Okay, hence the solution set. Now see this, x is greater than minus 2 upon 3. Greater than minus 2 upon 3 means greater than minus 2 upon 3, that will be 0, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and so on. Okay, because minus 2 upon 3 is greater than minus 1, and after that on the number line the next number is 0, so 0, then 1 2 3 4 and so on. Okay, now question number 10. List the solution set of 11 minus 2x upon 5 is greater than equals to 9 minus 3x upon 8 plus 3 upon 4. Okay, so what have you done? Okay, this is the inequation and x belongs to natural number here, so replacement set is the natural number set. Okay, so 11 minus 2x greater than equals to, here we have done the we have added and fractional addition we have done. So 8 is the LCM, so 9 minus 3x plus 6. Okay, then 11 minus 5x, 11 minus 2x upon 5 and 15 minus 3x upon 8, 9, 6, 15. Okay, now what we have done, we have multiplied, cross multiplication. So 8 is greater, so this one into this one, that will be in left hand side because this is the greater portion. Okay, so 88 minus 16x greater than equals to 5 into that one. Okay, then x we have taken in one side and constant to the right hand side, then we have simplified like this. Okay, so x is greater than equals to minus 13, then multiply both sides by minus 1, so it will be x, and this inequation will be reversed because we have multiplied by minus on both sides, and that will be 13. So x is less than equals to 13. Okay, and x belongs to natural number, less than equals to 13, so 13 also will be included, then 13, 12, 10 and so on up to 1. Okay, because less than 13, so 13, 12, 10, 11 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is the solution set. Okay, now come to question number 11. In question number 11, it is told that find the values of x which satisfy the inequation. It means you have to find the solution set, then you have to represent on the number line the solution set. Okay, so here see this, two inequations are there. At the middle only x is there and both side constants are there. Okay, in this case what we will do, only in middle you have to keep x. Okay, so other numbers and coefficient that you have to eliminate. So minus 2, 1 upon 2, 2 upon 3, and this is 11 upon 6 if you convert into proper fraction. Okay, then here 1 upon 2 is there, so you have to eliminate this 1 upon 2. For that you have to subtract 1 upon 2 from each term. So minus 2 minus 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 minus 2x upon 3 minus 1 upon 2, 11 upon 6 minus 1 upon 2, subtracting 1 upon 2 from each term. So this 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2 will be cancelled out. So now this and here we have subtracted, so it is minus 4 minus 1 minus 5 upon 2, and this is 8 upon 6. This is fractional subtraction, very easy. Now minus 2 upon 3 is here, you have to eliminate this minus 2 upon 3. So for eliminating this minus 2 upon 3, so for eliminating the minus you have to multiply this one by minus, so this will become plus, and to eliminate this one you have to multiply this one by 3 upon 2, the reciprocal of 2 upon 3, that is 3 upon 2. So what we have done, we have multiplied by minus 3 upon 2, and minus 3 upon 2 is negative number, so this inequation will be reversed. Less than equals to will convert to greater than equals to, this less than equals to will convert to greater than equals to. We have multiplied each term by minus 3 upon 2. Okay, then it will become 15 upon 4, and 3 will be cancelled out, 2 will be cancelled out, and minus minus it will become plus, so this will be x, and here by cancelling out, after cancelling out, here only 2 will be remaining, minus 2. Okay, so 15 upon 4 means 3 whole 3 upon 4 greater than equals to x greater than equals to minus 2, and x belongs to what? X belongs to natural number. So x is less than 3 whole 3 upon 4, less than 3 whole 3 upon 4, and greater than equals to minus 2. So less than 3 whole 3 upon 4 is 3, then 2, then 1, because natural number, set of natural number. So hence the solution set, it is 1, 2, 3 only. And on the number line, very easy to represent. Draw the number line, 1 here make dot, 2 here make dot, and 3 here make dot. Okay, very easy. Now come to the next question, that is question number 12. If x belongs to whole number, find the solution set of 3 upon 5x minus 2x minus 1 upon 3 greater than 1. Also graph the solution set on the number line if possible. Okay. Now see this. This is the inequation and x belongs to whole number. So now x is in left hand side, so simplify this one. So subtract, LCM will be 15, so 9x minus 10x, and minus this will become plus, that will be 5. Okay, now 9x minus x, that is minus x plus 5, and this is 15. So multiply both sides by 15, so this 15 will be cancelled out, and 15 into 1 is 15. So minus x plus 5 is greater than 15, minus x is greater than 15 minus 5. So minus 6 is greater than 10, and multiply both side by minus 1, so this minus x will become plus x, but you are multiplying both side by minus 1, so and minus 1 is negative number, so inequation will be reversed. Greater than will become less than, and x is less than minus 10, and x belongs to whole number. So less than minus 10, the numbers are minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, but these are not whole number. So you can't get any whole number that is less than 10. There is no whole number that is less than minus 10. Okay? So hence the solution set will be 5. 5 means empty set, because we are not getting a single number, whole number that is less than minus 10. So the solution set will be empty, that is 5, null set. So graph of the solution set is not possible, because we are not getting the solution, that's why this graph is not possible. Okay, now come to the next question, that is question number 13. Okay, in question number 13 it is told that solve. First part, it is given that x upon 2 plus 5 less than equals to x upon 3 plus 6. X is a positive odd integer. X is positive integer and it will be odd also. Okay, so this is the inequation, and x belongs to z plus, positive, and this is odd as well. So take x related term in one side, so it will come left hand side and 5 will go to right hand side. So subtract this, it will be x upon 6 and this will be minus 1. Multiply both side by 6, so 6 will be cancelled out, and 1 into 6 is 6. So x is less than equals to 6, but x is positive odd integer. So positive odd integer less than 6 is if x equals to 6, but a 6 is even number, so we can't take x. So less than 6 will be 5. 5 is integer as well as odd also, so in solution set there will be 5. Then it is 4. 4 is not odd, so leave it. Now 3 is odd integer, so 3. Now 2 is not odd, so leave it. Then 1, clear? And positive, so after 1 will not take minus 1, minus 2, because they are negative. Only you have to take positive odd integer, so 1, 3, 5. Okay, and second part, that is your homework. Here it is told that positive and even here, so you will solve this. Even means less than 15, less than equals to 15, there will be 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. In this way you can do that. Okay, come to the next one. In next question it is given that, question number 14, it is given that okay, read the question very carefully. Given that x belongs to integer, solve the inequation and graph the solution on the number line. Okay, this is the inequation, and in the middle there is only x. So what we will do, simplify the middle term, then eliminate all the coefficient. So what have you done? You have here, after adding, we have got 5x minus 12 upon 6. Okay, so 6 is there, so you have to eliminate this 6. So you multiply each term by 6. If you multiply by 6, it will be 18. If you multiply by 6, this 6 will be cancelled out. If you multiply by 6, this will be 12. Okay, here. Now here 12 is there, so you have to eliminate this minus 12. So you have to add 12 with each term. So you have added 12 with each term. So this 12 will cancel out. So 30 is greater than equals to 5x greater than equals to 24. Now you have to eliminate this 5. So for that you have to divide each term by 5. So dividing each term by 5. So 5 by 5 we have divided each term, and 5 is positive number, so inequation will remain same. 5 cancel out, by 5 it will be 6, and by 5 if you divide, so it will be 4 whole 4 upon 5. So x is less than 6 but greater than 4 whole 4 upon 5. So and x belongs to integer, clear? So x is equals to 6, we can take that. So 6 will be there, and less than 6 but greater than 4 whole 4 upon 5, and greater than equals to 4 whole 4 upon 5. But x can't be equals to 4 whole 4 upon 5, because this is not integer. So greater than that number is 5, so 5 will be there. Okay, after, so only 5 and 6, this will be the solution set of the given inequation. And this is the representation. Draw the number line, and on number line, on 5 make dot, and on 6 make dot. Okay, now next question, question number 15. Okay, read the question number 15 very carefully. Solve 1 greater than equals to 15 minus 7x greater than 2x minus 27. Now this equation is a little bit different. In previous case the x related term was in the middle only, but here x is in right side also and middle side also. So when this type of question will occur, it means x will be at first or at last, or both at first and the middle. Okay, it means at two places without middle, except middle there will be x in first or last also. In this case you have to write this inequation into two parts. See this, 1 is greater than or equals to 15 minus 7x, this is one part. So 1 is greater than or equals to 15 minus 7x, and 15 minus 7x is greater than 2x minus 27. So we have divided this inequation into two parts. Then separately we have found the solution. Then at last we have combined them. Okay, together you can't do this because here is x also, here is x also, and there are three terms. So in this type of problems we will divide into two parts. You will take first two together and last two together. So 1 is greater than or equals to 15 minus 7x, and 15 minus 7x is greater than 2x minus 27. So two parts we have divided. Now solve this one first. So take 15 in left hand side, constant will be in one side and x related term will be on one side. Okay, so 1 minus 15 greater than equals to minus 7x, and minus, this is minus 14 greater than minus 7x. Divide both side by minus 7 because you have to eliminate this minus 7. So dividing both side by minus 7, and minus 7 is negative number, so this greater than equals to will convert into less than equals to. Okay, and finally it will be 2 is less than equals to x, implies, and here 15 minus 7x greater than 2x minus 27. 7x minus 7x is there, take to minus 2x in left hand side and 15 to the right hand side. Okay, so this is minus 9x minus 42. Divide both side by minus 9. So inequation will be changed because dividing by minus negative number. So minus 9 will be cancelled out. So x is less than 14 upon 3, that is 4 whole 2 upon 3. So parallelly see this, x is greater than 2 and x is less than this one. So if you combine them, what will be there? Write x in middle. So x is less than 2 and x is greater than 4 whole 2 upon 3. So this is the combination solution. Now x belongs to natural number. So greater than equals to 2 means 2 will be there, and less than 4 whole 2 upon 3 means less than 4 whole 2 upon 3 means 4. So 2, 3 and 4. This is the solution set. Okay. Now next question, question number 16. If x belongs to z, solve 2 plus 4x less than 2x minus 5 less than equals to 3x. Okay, here also same thing, here is x also, here is x also, and here is x also. In each term there are x. So you will divide into two parts, first two together and last two together. Then separately you will simplify. Then after simplifying, see this, x is less than minus 3 upon 2 and x is greater than minus 5. So together you can combine here, see this, x is less than minus 3 whole 1 upon 2 and x is greater than minus 5. So you have combined here. Now x belongs to integer. So greater than equals to minus 5, that is minus 4. And equal sign is there, so there will be minus 5 also, and less than 3 whole 1 upon 2, less than 3 whole 1 upon 2 is minus 4. So minus 4 and minus 5, that will be only the solution set. And on the number line, on minus 4 and on minus 5, we have to make dot. Okay, now come to next question, that is, okay, after that the solution will be here. Okay, after combining them, question number 16, combining them, we have got this one. So from this you can say that greater than equals to minus 5, greater than equals to minus 5 is minus 5 also, minus 4 also, minus 3, because but minus 3 you can't take because here it is told that x is less than minus 3 upon 4. So less than minus 3 upon 4 means minus 4. So minus 4 was already included. So this is the solution set, and on the number line you have represented minus 4 and minus 5. These 2 points are made dot. Okay, Now come to the next question, that is question number 17. Solve 4x minus 10 upon 3 less than equals to 5x minus 2 upon 2, 5x minus 7 upon 2, and x belongs to real number. R means real number. So now this is the equation. Now the replacement set is set of real number. Okay, what you have done? We have multiplied, cross multiplied. So this is 8x minus 20 and this is 3, 15x minus 21. Okay, this part in right hand side, this is left hand side. Now x related term we have taken in left hand side, constant to the right hand side. Here minus 7x, so we have divided both sides by minus 7. Okay, and this inequation will be reversed. So x is greater than equals to 1 upon 7. X is greater than equals to 1 upon 7. Okay, in previous case for integer, natural number, whole number, we have made dot. Okay, and we know that real number is including all the numbers, natural number, whole number, integers, irrational number, rational number, all these. So in this case this solution set will be represented in this one, this way. Okay, x is such that x greater than 1 upon 7 and x belongs to real number. Now on the number line, greater than equals to 1 upon 7 means from 1 upon, this is the point 1 upon 7, rest of the part will be made dark by pen or pencil. Okay, this is the representation for when the replacement set is real number. Only in case of real number you have to make the line dark. Okay, clear? So next question, that is question number 18. Question number 18 is just like question number 17. In previous question you have done. So same method you will follow. A real number, you will subtract this one, then finally you have got x is less than minus 10. Less than, here equal sign is not there, because so minus 10, this point will not be included. Okay, so that's why minus 10, at minus 10 we have made an empty circle. We have made an empty circle. After that we have darkened the line. Okay, so you have to make the line dark. If here it is equal sign, then you will make dot here. If there is only greater or less than sign, then you have to make empty circle here. Okay, because this point minus 10 is not included. After minus 10 the solution is started. That's why after minus 10 this portion is made dark. Okay, and next question, question number 19. See the question number 19. In this question also x belongs to real number, and minus 1 is less than equals to 3 plus 4x and less than 23. Now see this, in this question here only at the middle there is x only, so no need to split them into two parts. You can do it together. So at first you have to eliminate 3. So we have subtracted 3 from each term. So 3 cancel out. Now 4 is there. So you have to divide each term by 4. So we have divided each term by 4. So minus 1 is greater than equals to x and less than 5. Now see this. This is very important. Here minus 1 is less than equals to x. So at minus 1 you have to make dot, because here equal sign is there. So this minus 1 point will be included, and x is less than 5. Here equal sign is not there, so 5 will not be included here. So that's why on 5 we have made an empty circle, because 5 is not included there. Up to 5, before 5 the solution set will be, and from minus 1. So minus 1 is included from minus 1, and before 5 it is finished. The solution set will be finished, and minus 5 is not included. That's why here empty circle. Okay, and next question, question number 20. Here also the replacement set is real number. Okay, read the question, and only at the middle there is x, so you can simplify and you can represent the solution on the number line. So up to question number 20 you will try to solve at home and revise more and more every question, every concept of this chapter, theory portion, all the problems and the examples. Do it properly. Okay, in next class we will solve rest of the problems, that is from question number 21 to 35. Okay, till then you will revise all these things again and again every day. Okay, in next class we will discuss rest of the problems. Thank you.